Today starts the first day of unboxing our Breyer Advent calendar. It's going to be really fun to see what surprises we get every single day. And along the way, we're going to tell the story, the most amazing story ever about the coming of Jesus. But first, let's check in on Zoe. Looks like she is getting ready to decorate the stable. That's going to look fun when she's done. We'll check back with her in just a little bit. Over the next 25 days, we're going to tell you the most amazing story that's all about you and God. How the God of all the universe and the whole earth created everything with you in mind. Isn't that fun? But to start, we have to start with the Bible. And we're going to start reading in Genesis, which is the very first part of the creation story. Genesis 1, verse 1 through 5. Here's what it says. In the beginning, God created the heavens and the earth. The earth was without form. That means it didn't really have a shape, and void. So it was kind of empty. Darkness was on the face of the earth, and the Spirit of God was hovering over the face of the waters. I kind of imagine that God was looking at this kind of blob and planning and thinking how he was going to create something amazing for you and me. Then God said, "Let there be light," and there was light. And God saw the light, that it was good. And God divided the light from the darkness. God called the light day, and the darkness he called night. So the evening and the morning were the first day. On the very first day of creation, God made day and night. He made it so that you and I would know when we're supposed to rest and when we're supposed to play and learn and work. It's really important. Living without night and day would make things very confusing. So it's the very first thing that God created as he got prepared to make this beautiful world for us. Now, tomorrow, we are going to find out what he made on day 2. But right now, it's time to open day 1 of our Breyer Advent box. Are you ready to see what we got? I'm super curious. All right, so let's poke in here. Day 1. Kind of big in there. Oh, what is this that we have? It's a little package. It's almost like opening a Christmas present. Here we go. It's a tiny little fence. And it all clicks together to make a little corral. Isn't that fun? Let me see if I can put it together. I thought it would click harder than it does, but it actually clicks pretty easy once you figure out how it works. Well, we didn't get a Breyer horse on our first day, but I suppose before you get a horse, you need a little pin to keep a horse in. So this was our gift for the first day. Now we're going to save all of our Breyer surprises, and we're going to make a fun surprise for Zoe on Christmas Day. But now that we have that, let's check back in on Zoe and see how she's doing. Looks like she's getting ready to do the Christmas lights. Oh, looks like it could be a little bit before she gets that sorted out. So we will let her do that. Maybe she'll have it all done by tomorrow. And I will be back tomorrow for day 2 of our Breyer Advent calendar unboxing and the story of the coming of Jesus.